Welcome to break 1654 for the 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. We want to thank everyone for getting the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate that. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, March 30th, 2020. It's 10:24 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:24 p.m. Central Time, and 7:24 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Montan with 17 spots, Logan 1, Justice with 5, Dapper 1, WVU Morris with 2 spots, Mitch with 4 spots. We are going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to the break. Montan on top, Mitch on the bottom once, twice, and there will be 3 cards per pack. Everything will ship out of the value pack. 6 and lucky number 7 has Montan on top, WVU Morris on the bottom. Alright, Montan, you have the Hawks, Justice with the Celtics, Morris Nets, Montan Hornets Bulls, Mitch Cavaliers, Montan Mavericks, Mitch with the Nuggets, Montan Pistons, Montan Warriors, Logan Rockets, Montan Pacers, Clippers, Justice with the Lakers, Montan Grizzlies, Just with the Heat and Bucks, Montan Timberwolves, Pelicans, Knicks, Thunder, Magic, 76ers, Mitch with the Suns, Dapper Trailblazers, Montan Kings, Just with the Spurs, Mitch with the Raptors, Montan Jazz, and last but not least, WVU with the Washington Wizards. All right, here we are. I see a booklet. All right, let's see what we have and then go back through and see who's getting what. Gonna start off with Grayson Allen and the Utah Jazz. 83 out of 99. Triple threat action going on there. Utah Jazz. Hope sports come back soon. Mitch Richmond for the Kings. Treasures of the Hall. Auto out of 25. That's going to Sacramento. So we have Utah. We have Sacramento. And last but not least, we have... Oh my. Look at that. So we have game worn material of LeBron James, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Love, J.R. Smith, Tristan Thompson, Timothy Mozgov, Mo Williams, and Iman Shumpert. Wow. $17 out of 149. LeBron James, Kyrie Irving, Kevin. Alright, we'll definitely be checking that out. Okay, definitely save that for last. Let's see where Grayson Allen is going for Utah. Utah Jazz is going to Montan. Congrats, Montan. And then we have the Sacramento Kings, Mitch Richmond. Sacramento Kings is going to Montan. Congrats, Montan. Then we'll get ready for the Cleveland Cavaliers here. All right, so like a surgeon, we're going to check this bad boy out. Nice and easy. If it'll come out nice and easy. Okay. It is a Panini Preferred. Let's start with that. And again, LeBron James, Kyrie Irving, Kevin Love, J.R. Smith, Iman Shumpert, Mo Williams, Timothy Mozgov, and Tristan Thompson. What do we have? Whoa. Oh. Check that out. That is sweet. All right, we have left to right. That's how we read, right? Iman Shumpert, Timothy Mozgov. Keep in mind, these are game-used jerseys. This is sweet. Mo Williams, Tristan Thompson, LeBron James, Kevin Love, Kyrie Irving, J.R. Smith. Look at that. All right, one more time real quick. So you have 8 different players on this card. All right, let's see who has. Let's close this bad boy up for a second. For Cleveland. Let's see who has Cleveland real quick. The Cleveland Cavaliers is going to Mitch. Congrats, Mitch. All right, guys. 1654, 2020 Gold Rush Basketball Value Pack. We have Mitch Richmond out of 25 auto. Grayson Allen triple jersey. And this bad boy. 8-player game-used jersey for the Cleveland Cavaliers. That's how you would normally open a booklet. But very cool. Congrats, guys. That is awesome. That was break 1654. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon, and stick around for the bonus break spot. Thanks!